Hey YouTube, Jason, Adventure OffroadX. So I went ahead today and installed some RockJock rear axle correction brackets for the Jeep JT. I'll show you what I did. Alright everyone, so here's what we have here. So the correction brackets for the RockJock are going to mount here, and then it's going to move this arm up probably about 2.5 inches. I didn't do a measurement, so what I'm going to do is, so it's just this nut coming off. I don't think you have to take this bolt all the way out. I guess we'll find out here in a few minutes. And I'll install this and we'll see how it all works out. So these right here are the RockJock rear axle correction brackets for the Jeep JT. And like I said, we'll be installing them right here. So this will be right side. They're bent different. This one's got a sharper bend than this one. This one's a longer bend. It looks like they might be around the same height bend, possibly. It's just to do with these angles. So, alright. Okay, so here's the installation. Alright, I have not tightened these yet. I just put it back down to the ground. So once it's back on the ground off the jack stands, that's when you're going to want to tighten these. Also, notice this is the sharper bend, longer bend. The bracket goes on the inside of the O-ring bracket. On this side, it goes on the outside. It matches pretty good. Now I did have to shorten the arms a few turns because of the angle that it goes up at. Other than that, it looks really nice. So let me tighten it up and I'll show you the finished. Alright, here you go. All torqued down. Real nice. Real nice. Everything's tight. Passenger side, all torqued and tight. I'm going to take it for a ride and let you know what I think. Hey guys, the installation's done. Everything went well. I'll show you in a minute. But anyway, this is what iCandy Designz did in Ocala, Florida. So if you're ever in Ocala, near Ocala, need any vehicle wraps, go ahead and hit up iCandy Designz. We'll put a link in the description below. They did a really good job with the wrap. I have yet to actually take video of that wrap, but here's what we did today. So there's the rear correction bracket in the top, and everything seemed solid. I took it for a drive, and no clinks, clanks, clutters, nothing like that. Almost seemed like, I didn't have any axle roll or anything. So there it is. I'd like to give a big shout out to Steve here at Adventure OffroadX for allowing me to be on the team, creating video content and helping grow the brand. So stay tuned. He'll have more content. I'm usually behind the scenes, but we'll try and get out here in front of the camera a little more. So alright y'all, have a good one.